Guys, this is a brand new Land Cruiser 300 series that we have with us today. It is packed with features. I'm sure a lot of you have done your research on them. It has one major flaw. Brand new car, plenty of money spent on it, no electric tailgate. What's that all about? We're going to be adding a tailgate to this car. We are also adding a lithium battery, the lithium battery charger, Anderson plug. We've already done the tow bar here. What else are we doing? We're also doing a brake controller, which will be the Red Arc Tow Pro Elite. So this is getting a lot of work done, but what we are going to focus on in this video is the major flaw of no electric tailgate. Here at the fitting bay, we like to do things first. This will be one of the first electric tailgates fitted to a 300 series. A lot of people say that you can't get them. We can get them. We've got the button here that's going to replace the factory handle, so you can control your tailgate from the rear. All the wiring, the struts, soft close feature, which will be awesome, so when the boot closes, it'll soft close just like the Sahara, some mounting hardware, and the module itself. So what we're going to do is get all that installed, see how it looks, and run through it when it's done. So just a quick overview, guys. The module's going to go in the back section of the vehicle. All the wiring we looked at before is going to run from the module to the front of the vehicle. These little weak, pissy struts are going to be replaced with these brand new big boys, much better. And we'll run through some more stuff as we go. Oh, removal. We're going to start right here. This panel pops straight off. Then these panels pop straight off. Then this panel pops straight off. Nice and easy. These all just unclip. You'll see how easy it is. Just like that. Guys, we've got the brand new struts on. We weren't able to film that, and I'll give you a hot tip. When you do this installation, you're going to need two people. Someone needs to hold this, unless you've got something that you can hold it up with and not damage any of the panels. And the other person can go ahead and put the brackets on. So you've got a bracket that goes on the body, which is labeled right and left, a bracket that goes on the top here, and they just screw in with the supplied screws, and then the new struts clip straight on. And then the factory, or the new wiring, this wiring will run through a grommet like that, and then up to the module. Guys, struts are in. We've run the wiring up here with the factory wiring up to the module, which we've mounted right here. That's just double-sided down for now, and we're going to get some zip ties around there as well, just to lock it into place. This is the new suction motor, so basically this will latch onto the factory latch and then suck itself closed for the soft close. It has a plug here, so that plugs into the original, and then a new plug for the new one. A couple more plugs here, which we will look at later. What I want to show you now is in the kit, you're going to get this long harness here, which runs to the front, and you'll notice there's bare pins on it, and on the module there's a plug. So they're all numbered, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just put them into the numbers corresponding that are labeled on the plug itself. The reason for that is so you can easily get this cabling through the grommet and up to the module. So I just wanted to show you that, okay? So we've got plenty of videos showing you how to do this. Some lubrication, spray lube like that, and a snake tool, zip tie, something like that. Tape it on, pull it through, nice and easy. And then once you get it up there, pin it out, and then the other side runs all the way to the front of the car on the driver's side. Alright guys, so we've got this new suction motor mounted, which we spoke about. This is the original plug here, so we've plugged that in, plugged it into our motor, mounted it with the factory mounting hardware. On this plug back here, this is connected directly up here, which is connected to the button at the back. There's a pink wire coming off of this loom. It taps onto the blue wire in the center of that plug. So you strip it back, strip the blue wire back, tap the pink onto it, solder it up, and then plug it back in. So a couple more plugs here, which I don't think are used, but I'm just gonna leave them out just in case. And then we can start cleaning up all of this wiring and getting it ready to be mounted. Coming over to the side of the car, you remove this panel, and I'll try and get you a look. In this loom right here, guys, you can see this purple wire. It's right at the top, so it's light purple with dark purple trace. On the harness that you're running to the front of the car, there's an orange wire, which I've already taped up. That's gonna tap onto this wire. That's the unlock wire. So if you have a test light, you can put the test light on it, press unlock, and you'll see that it lights up once. And so with those two connections done, we're gonna run the rest of the cabling to the front of the vehicle. This plug will go into the new blank or the new button that takes up one of these blanks for the boot. This wire here is an illumination wire, so you find illumination on any one of these plugs and tap it on. So that's a wire that only gets power when the lights are on. So that's what illumination is. Then you've got the last cable here, which is a power cable. So we've chopped off the plug because we're gonna do our own power connection, but it comes with a little fuse tap. So you can fuse tap that into the fuse box, which is right here. So nice and easy. We want to do something a little bit neater, so we're gonna do that. And that is pretty much the job complete. I know it was a very overall run. So if you have any questions specifically, drop them in the comments below where you can reach out to us. But I'm gonna get this stuff finished up and then we'll test it. This panel here is all clips, so it does come straight off. Don't be shy, because it'll feel like there's screws on it, but they're not, it's just clips. All right guys, that is it. The tailgate is complete. Reassembly of this is just going to be the exact same way that you pulled it apart in the reverse order. We have a brand new button here as well as a handle. So if we press that button, the tailgate will close. Let's have a look at that. So just like the factory system would, car still needs to be cleaned. And then we've got soft close. So it sucks itself shut and then it's locked or closed. Okay, you can lock it as well. Moving on, now the car is still in pieces because we've got a lot of work because we still have a lot of work to do. But you can see we've got our little button right here for the boot. So we're just gonna press and hold that and it's gonna open. That is a 4-second hold, okay? So closing it's about 2 seconds, opening it is about 4, and that's a safety feature so you don't accidentally bump it and open the gate. So you have to press and hold it. Lastly guys, we've got the key feature, okay? So double press on the unlock. That's gonna close. Same thing, double press on the unlock and it will open as well. So you can open and close it with the key. You've got a button at the back and a button at the front, and there is the optional foot sensor, which we do not have on this vehicle. That is pretty much it. If you have any questions about this system, drop a comment below. We're going to link this exact tailgate system in the description. That'll lead you to the Shop TFB website where you can go ahead and purchase it. For any other inquiries, if you want to reach out to us, www.shoptfb.com. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.